Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open a Charles Schwab account. First, decide which account type suits your needs, whether it's a brokerage, retirement, or checking account. Next, gather your personal details like your social security number, employer information, and bank account details for funding. Then, you'll navigate to the Charles Schwab website to begin the online application process, which is straightforward and user-friendly. To ensure a smooth application, you'll need a few key pieces of information. This includes your social security number or individual taxpayer identification number. You'll also need your current employer's name and address. Finally, have your bank account and routing numbers handy if you plan to fund your new Schwab account electronically right away. This helps verify your identity and comply with regulations. Once your application is approved, it's time to fund your account. You can easily transfer funds electronically from your bank account using an ACH transfer. For larger sums, a wire transfer is another secure option. Alternatively, you can mail a check directly to Charles Schwab. There's often no minimum to open, but a $100 initial deposit is common for some account types. After funding, you're ready to explore your new Charles Schwab account. Familiarize yourself with their robust online platform and mobile app for managing investments. Remember to set up beneficiaries for your account to ensure your assets are distributed as you wish. Take advantage of the many educational resources and investment tools available to help you achieve your financial goals.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.